Sticking to just Bitcoin and Ethereum? Are you missing out on some of the biggest gains in the crypto market by ignoring altcoins? If you're ready to expand your portfolio beyond the top two, you're in the right place. We're breaking down exactly how to trade altcoins on Coinbase, step by step. Altcoins, which is short for alternative coins, are simply all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. And Coinbase, one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms, makes getting into them super simple. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Get your account ready first. You need a fully verified Coinbase account with funds available. If you've been trading Bitcoin, you're already set. If not, make sure your account is verified and linked to your bank or debit card. You can either deposit fiat currency like USD or Euro, or you can already have another crypto, like Bitcoin, ready to trade. Step 2. Navigate to the altcoins once you're logged in. The next thing you want to do is explore your options. Go to the main trading or asset list section. This is where you'll see all the cryptocurrencies Coinbase supports, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look for the coins that catch your eye, but remember to always do your own research first. Altcoins can be much more volatile than the top coins. Step 3. Choose your trade. Coinbase typically offers two main ways to trade altcoins, a simple buy, sell, or a convert function. If you are buying with cash, select the altcoin you want, click buy, enter the amount you wish to spend, and confirm the transaction. The fee will be clearly displayed before you finalize. If you already hold a cryptocurrency and want to swap it for an altcoin, use the convert feature. This lets you directly exchange Bitcoin or Ethereum for an altcoin, or vice versa, often with lower fees than a traditional buy and sell order. Select your starting coin, your target altcoin, enter the amount, and convert. It's nearly instant. Step 4. Confirm and monitor. After you execute your trade, your new altcoin balance will immediately show up in your portfolio. You can then monitor its performance right on the Coinbase dashboard. Keep an eye on price movements, and if you want to take profits or cut losses, you simply go back to the coins page and use the sell or convert function again. That's it. Trading altcoins on Coinbase is incredibly straightforward. The most important step is the one you take before trading. Always research the project behind the coin to make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.